Hello, Namaste. In today's video, we are looking at how to create workset in Revit. Okay, so first you have to go to collaborate, and there is a one tab is a workspace. Right now, the active workset, synchronize, reload, relinquish, all mine are in is inactive. So we have to go to workset. We get workset from here. Also, we get workset settings from below. So we have to click on worksheet. There is the one option Worksharing. You are the about to enable Worksharing and say you okay. Just okay. And after the save, the process will go on that it create a central model. One uh, dialog box is appear. So there is the option set level and we go into detail after just say okay. And now when you save this model, that is create save as. So there is the options and it Worksharing make this central model after the save. These options is on by default that your file you have to set on server or where access multiple users, that it's used for multiple users. Go to my computer, I just click on 2024 and save here that its name is I dash that worksite. Just save. Okay. Now this file is a save as a central model. So the worksite, we create a worksite, and now first when we close this file and again say open, there is the worksite file. It's my central model. Now every I located in server on server, and then workset. Workset, there is the one two options: detach from central and create new local. When every users are used, create new local, that your local file will be on of open and you have to work on local file. So now you look at this, that the synchronize options is active. So there is a two options, save and synchronize. There is the also option synchronize, that the my central models locations is there, and when I save this file, that it saves in my local drive. Okay, and now I say synchronize and so okay. So it save into central model. Clear? This is the method how to create workset in new file. Okay, thank you.